President Cyril Ramaphosa came face-to-face with disgruntled voters in the three biggest and the oldest townships on the Cape Flats today. The visit was part of the ANC's final push to woo undecided voters. Residents' concerns included crime, unemployment, housing shortages and the chaotic Metrorail transport system.
President Cyril Ramaphosa crisscrossed the townships of Mitchell's Plain, Gugulethu and Khayelitsha in 7 hours. In these crime and gang-ridden areas, not everyone was pleased to see him, but he didn't shy away from the issues.
To that end, we established the anti-gang unit. Now, since we established it, gang violence and gang activity has gone down by 24%. It means that it is working, and it means that now we are after the gang leaders, the gang members, because, as I said when we launched it, we want to put them behind bars.
Another bone of contention is high water bills, attributed to the installation of new water meters by the city of Cape Town. Others complained of renting houses for as long as 60 years without ever being granted title deeds. Undeterred by all the complaints, Ramaphosa expressed optimism that his party would perform better in the Western Cape than in previous elections. Meanwhile, in Durban, former ANC President Jacob Zuma defended his decision to campaign for the ANC, saying it was his right to do so. This after criticism that he could impede the ANC's campaign due to corruption allegations against him. Zuma, accompanied by Party Secretary General Ace Magashule, slammed those who questioned his involvement in campaigning. He also denied allegations of a plot to oust President Cyril Ramaphosa.
I don't know why are they personal. I can't tell you what provokes that person, because I am an ANC. And people should generally know the processes in the ANC. If you are an ANC, you do everything that all members do.
ANC Deputy President David Mabuza is confident of unity in the Free State where party factions are at loggerheads. He says the ANC will seek common ground with all disgruntled members. David Mabuza was accompanied by axed Minister of Minerals Msebenzi Zwane, accused of corrupt activities in the province. They met residents in Dihlabeng who expressed concerns over service delivery and housing.
The ANC will unite. We are still fresh from Nazareth. There's one step forward, two steps back, but finally we'll find our feet, we'll unite.
Thousands of ANC members are expected at the Ellis Park Stadium in Johannesburg on Sunday for the final Siyanqoba rally.